Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In this video, we are going to talk about root words part 2. Some root words, they can stand alone. So we will discuss here in this new lesson. There are some root words that can be used on their own or as part of other common words. There are some root words that can be used on their own or as part of other common words. Let us learn with the help of some examples. Act, to do, actor, acting. Think before you act. So we can use act as an independent word, or it can stand on its own. So act, think before you act. This is one example. Acting, okay. So the word acting here, we have example, acting in films is not everybody's cup of tea. So here, acting word, act becomes a part of word of acting in this, sentence. Acting in films is not everybody's cup of tea. Arbor, next example, arbor. Arbor means tree. So here, arbor word we can use independently and it can become a part of other words. Examples are here, arbor. The Arbor Day is originated in the United States. So we can use the arbor word as independent. Okay, as an independent word. Arbor, the Arbor Day is originated in the United States. Whereas we can use arbor, arbor becomes a part of other words like arboreal, arborist. So arboreal, what is the meaning of arboreal? Arboreal, living in trees, living in trees. So arbor becomes a part of this word arboreal. You can notice here arbor becomes a part of arboreal. Arboreal is living in trees. Example, birds are arboreal creatures. Birds are arboreal creatures. Next one, form. Form means shape. What is the meaning of form? Form means shape. So we can use form as an independent word. Here we have example, I have a very important document in its original form. What is example? I have a very important document in its original form. So form, you can notice that I have used this word form as an independent word or single word. Now we can use form in what I can say, form here, the form. So form can become also the part of other word. For example, reform. Reform is there. Reform, conform is there. So reform, what is the meaning of reform? To change. What is the meaning of reform? Reform means to change. Example, he put forward some proposals to reform the education system. Example, he put forward some proposals to reform the education system. So here, form becomes the part of a word of reform. Okay. Next one, legal. What is the meaning of legal? Legal means related to the law. Related to the law. So here example, one example is here. He is my legal advisor. In this sentence we use legal as an independent word. Okay. It can stand independently. He is my legal advisor. Next word, illegal. Illegal, what I can say? In illegal, legal becomes a part of word illegal. Legal becomes a part of word of illegal. So illegal means forbidden by law. So what is the meaning of, illegal? Forbidden by law. Example, gambling is illegal. Gambling is illegal here. Gambling is illegal here. Next one, phobia. Phobia, word phobia, the meaning of word phobia is fear. So we can use phobia, in sentences as a single word. Example, John has a phobia about snakes. John has a phobia about snakes. You can notice that I have used word phobia in this sentence alone. So phobia word we can use as an independent sentence. John has a phobia about snakes. Same, the phobia can be used or it can become a part of other sentence like other word, like for example phobia, hydrophobia. In hydrophobia, phobia becomes a part of hydrophobia. Photophobia, acrophobia. What is the meaning of hydrophobia? Hydrophobia means extreme fear of water. Extreme fear of water. Example, rabies is also known as hydrophobia. Other examples are here. Photophobia. What is the meaning of photophobia? Photo means light. Phobia means fear. Fear of light. Fear of light. Fear of light is called photophobia. So here, phobia, is becoming the part of word of photophobia. So you can notice that phobia becomes a part of, word photophobia. Next one, acrophobia. Acrophobia. What is the meaning of acrophobia? Acrophobia means fear of heights. Fear of heights is known as acrophobia. Here we have last example, norm. Norm means typical. So we have words abnormal and normality. So here word abnormal. What is the meaning of abnormal? Abnormal means not normal. Abnormal means not normal. Example, test revealed some abnormal skin cells. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a great day. Enjoy learning.